tripping. Shorty tripping at the spot right now. You got to get out of here with all that shit.
No, she just.
What she?
All the managers know me there. She's just fucking has a crush on me.
You're lying. Shut your mouth. You lying. You cat major cap alert. Old head in the car look like he mad too.
You have no life. Grow up.
You look like Buzzard Beak.
So embarrassing, dude. Who are you gonna show your fucking best friends? Look at what this bitch did. This is all I got.
Why you keep grabbing your waist like you got dick? Shut your mouth. You look like Buzzard the Beak.
That's all the bullshit.
You got the face of 1,000 pigeons. Shut your mouth, old head. Yeah, pull off, old head. She's nutty, right? Look at him over there. Ugly as shit. Turd head. You got the face of 1,000 angry birds and one lonely bird.
You got all the bitches, man.
Shut your mouth.